once built a website without a funnel, and let me tell you, it was a complete disaster. Why? Because there were no leads, no sales, just a digital ghost town. But here's the thing, it wasn't my website's design, it was the missing funnel that changed everything. Now let's start with the frustration. You've got a stunning website, but no one's clicking, signing up, or buying. Does that sound familiar? That's because a website alone isn't enough anymore. Think of a website without a funnel like a store without a salesperson. It might look great, but it's not guiding anyone to the checkout. And that's where a website funnel comes in. Now, a funnel is your secret weapon to turning curious visitors into loyal clients. It's the step-by-step journey that guides your audience from just checking out your site to saying, hey, I need what you're offering. Now let's break this down into simple steps so that you can set up your funnel today. Step number 1 is to know your audience. Every successful funnel starts with understanding your audience. Who are they? What problems are they facing? What solutions are they searching for? Now, the clearer that you are on their pain points and goals, the more impactful your funnel will be. Now, here's a pro tip. You can use tools like Google Analytics or even simple surveys to gather insights about your website visitors, okay? Step 2, create an irresistible lead magnet. The first step in your funnel is to get your audience to raise their hand and say, yes, I'm interested. To do that, you need a lead magnet, a free resource that solves one of their immediate problems. Think cheat sheets, templates, guides, or even a short video training. For example, my free Ultimate Funnel Guide is designed to give you everything you need to build a high converting funnel. You want to make your lead magnet super specific and actionable. And remember, it's not about giving away everything you know, it's about delivering a quick win. Step 3, build a landing page that converts. Now, this is where the magic happens because your landing page is the heart of your funnel. Now here's what it should include. It should include a clear, attention-grabbing headline that speaks directly to your audience's needs. Needs a subheadline that explains the value of your lead magnet, and a simple form where visitors can either enter their name and email to get access. Now, you don't need to overcomplicate this, okay? Tools like ClickFunnels, Kajabi, ConvertKit, Fluent CRM make it easy to build professional landing pages in minutes. Step 4, automate the follow-up. Now, once someone opts in, don't leave them hanging, okay? That's the biggest problem that entrepreneurs face. You want to set up an email sequence to nurture them. Use automation tools like Fluent CRM, MailChimp, ConvertKit to send a welcome email, share valuable tips, and introduce them to your paid offers. Now, here's the formula. Email 1, you want to deliver the lead magnet immediately and thank them for signing up. Email 2, you want to share your story or client success story to build trust. Email 3 is you want to provide additional value like a helpful blog post, a video, or a resource that can help them right now. And email 4, transition to your offer and let them know how you can help them solve their bigger problem. Now, step 5 in this is to test and optimize your funnel because funnels aren't set it and forget it. You want to